A lot of our customers ask us how they can edit budgets in bulk without doing it in the budget setting of a specific account. Well, this is a very easy task within Shirofune. All you got to do is to go under the All Businesses view and click on these three dots right in the middle of the screen, right next to the result display. And you're going to click on Download Business Progress. This is going to download an Excel file that looks like this, where you see all of your budgets for the specific accounts you selected. And right here, you have a monthly budget column that you can edit any way you want. And you can also modify some of these columns here for calculation that won't impact the success of the upload. So once you modify this budget, you save the file and you're going to go back on Shirofune and click on bulk budget update. You're going to upload your file here and all of your budgets are going to be updated. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and thank you so much for your time today.